What is up, YouTube? It is your boy Sean P, back with another video. First off, if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel, Sean P TV. And if you're subscribed, thank you for subscribing to my channel. And today's video is my day 144 of my pipe fitter apprenticeship. And like I've said in in my prior videos, my goal with all these videos and showing y'all my whole apprenticeship journey is to be as transparent as possible. And today I got laid off today. It's not really by surprise because I kind of knew ahead of time I was going to get laid off. It's just the way it is. Sometimes work slows down to the point where there's just nothing for you to do. And they laid a couple of guys off today. And it's just the way it is. It was just, there was really no work for us to do. And, you know, me being kind of a first year apprentice and lack of experience and lack of know-how, you know, it's just the way it is, you know. He kind of told me ahead of time I was gonna get laid off, and it's the way it is, man. And that's what you kind of have to, you know, kind of deal with at times as an apprentice. There's gonna be times where work gets real slow to the point where they have to lay guys off, and it's not the fact that you're not doing your job or none of that. It's just the fact there's no work, and unless you just really screwing up that bad, but. There was really no work for us to do, so they had to let some guys go. So what happens when you get laid off? Pretty much you're supposed to let your union hall know that you got laid off, and what they do is you let your dispatcher know, hey, I got laid off today, you know, at this time, whatever. And what he does is he puts your name on this list of people to get called out to jobs. So whenever a new job pops up, oh, I got this guy on here, you know, let me give him a call. And then they'll, you know, call you, and they'll call the contractor. Okay, I got this one apprentice waiting for to get called out. And once you get that call from your dispatcher, you let them know, hey, you'll be out there at the job site or whatever. You know, then you go on to the next job. So people think getting laid off is a bad thing. In this situation, it's not, because, you know, that's just life as being in commercial work. You know, that's the stuff you have to deal with. Work is going to slow down and you have to go to the next job. So what else is there to update on the, you know, apprenticeship? Like I said, I'm pretty much going on to trying to find out where the next job site is going to be. I honestly don't know yet, so just waiting on that call. And I also wanted to answer another question, or questions that I've been kind of getting quite a bit in the comment section when it comes to starting pay. You know, what do you start off? What's the starting pay for an apprentice? And the reason I kind of have a tough time really answering that question is because each local is different. Each trade is different. Each local is different. Like, I know at my local it's 50% of journeyman skill. And like I said, the reason I have a tough time answering this question is because journeyman skill is different in different states. Like, I believe somebody commented in one of my videos that journeyman scale is like $41 an hour in Eastern Washington or whatever, Eastern Washington State. Their journeyman scale is $41 an hour. And imagine making half of that. Like, half of that would be $20.50 an hour. So like I said, it's hard for me to answer that because of the fact that every local is different. Like, I know I believe in Chicago, I believe it's 47. I'm not sure. I believe it's 47. Don't quote me on that. I believe it's $47 an hour, journeyman scale. And so imagine making half of that. But like I said, do not quote me on this because I think it was, you know, there's a video actually covering that on YouTube. And I think the journeyman scale is completely different in New York City. It's because cost of living is different in different cities. So you have to take that into consideration when applying to these locals, that the scale is going to be different all the way around. So hopefully I answered that. I'll probably do a video on like different journeyman scales across the country and stuff later on down the line. Just be prepared to make 50% of your, you know, journeyman scale at your local. So, and like I said, it's different, you know, for each local. So other than that, like I said, hopefully I answered that. But other than that, I'm going to go ahead and sum up this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out. Peace. Cut the damn camera off, Sean.